Hello friends, welcome to Samyal Darbar. Today I am going to show you how to make soft and spongy milk powder cupcake with white chocolate buttercream frosting. This is a very easy and simple recipe and kids will love it. These cupcakes will be very soft and spongy. So for that I have taken milk, sugar, milk powder and then plain flour. You can even use wheat flour. So instead of white sugar you can even add brown sugar. So I have taken half cup of sugar and then half a cup of oil. I have taken sunflower oil. Any neutral oil you can take and mix it together till the sugar dissolves. I'm going to show you both in idli plate, how to make an idli plate and in the oven. So I'm going to add the almond extract 1 teaspoon. You can even add vanilla extract instead of almond. And then in a sieve I'm going to add flour 1 cup, either wheat flour or plain flour. And then half a cup of milk powder. And then half a teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then I'm going to sieve everything together. Don't skip sieving because this will give you a nice and spongy texture to the cupcakes. Now once you sieve it, using the cut and fold method, you have to mix everything together without any lumps. Once you mix everything together, now I'm going to add milk 1 cup little by little. Ensure that there are no lumps before adding the milk. Once it is mixed, I'm going to add milk little by little and I'm going to cut and fold the milk into the dry ingredients. Using the cut and fold method, I'm going to mix everything together and the batter should be in this consistency, like smooth consistency. Now I'm going to preheat the cooker in a medium flame for around 10 minutes. And in idli plate, I've kept the cupcake molds and then I'm going to fill 3/4 of the cup. So if you want, you can even add Milky Bar chocolate, a small piece of Milky Bar chocolate at the center of the batter, at the center of the cupcake, and then bake it for around 35 to 40 minutes. I've placed a stand and then I'm going to keep the plate, idli plate, and then I'm going to close it without any gasket or weight, and then I'm going to bake it for 30 to 40 minutes at low flame. Now the same procedure I'll be showing for how to do it in oven. So I've filled the molds and then I've kept a Milky Bar chocolate piece at the center of the cupcakes and I'm going to tap everything together. And then I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and after preheating I've kept the mold, and then you can bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. And then we'll see how to make the frosting. For that I have using a double boiling method, I have melted the Milky Bar chocolate, that is 100 grams of Milky Bar chocolate, and then I have taken 120 grams of butter. The butter should be soft and it should be at room temperature. Now once you whisk the butter together, and then I'm going to add 50 grams of powdered sugar, and then again I'm going to beat it. You can even use it with a whisk. You can even beat it with a whisk. So till the soft peak forms, I'm just going to beat it, and then I'm going to add the milk chocolate which we melted, and then I'm going to again whisk it together till the stiff peak forms. Now I'm going to add a pink color, a pinch, and then mix everything together. See, it should not fall from your scraper. That is the right consistency of the frosting. Now the cupcakes are ready. Now I'm going to frost it with the milk chocolate frosting, buttercream frosting. These cupcakes are very easy to prepare, and you can just prepare it in, say, about 1 hour. You can just prepare it, and you can keep these for kids party or some birthday party. It'll taste yum and kids will love it. See how yummy it is. You can even add some Milky Bar chocolate on top of the frosting, and then you can even decorate it with hundreds and thousands sprinkles like these. See how yummy it is. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell button for more updates. Thank you.